One little gift box under the tree.
What's inside? Oh, please tell me.
Come on, take a guess and solve the mystery.
Look at the shape and size carefully.
It's long and thin.
I know, it's a baseball bat.
What about me, Mommy?
See, Mia? Under the chair.
One little gift box under the chair.
What's inside? Oh, please do share.
Close your eyes and guess if you dare.
Touch it and feel it with a lot of care.
It's soft and fluffy. Is it a marshmallow?
No, I can feel ears and a nose.
It's a teddy bear. What about me, Mommy? Look, baby, under the bed.
One little gift box under the bed.
What's inside? Oh, please do tell.
It has 3 wheels and a really small bell.
Move it around and feel it well.
Baby, what has 3 wheels?
And a bell?
Oh, I know, a tricycle.
2 little gift boxes under the tree.
What a surprise, oh, we can't believe.
Come on, take a guess and solve the mystery. We got a gift for Mommy and Daddy. 5 little gift boxes under the tree. 1 for each member of the family. Mama, Dada, Mike, Mia, and for baby. May your Christmas be very happy.